Hello everybody, Kristi B coming back at you. Last time I did the red and black over the gold. This time I've added blue. And just as a refresher, the red started out as cadmium red deep hue. It looked kind of pink, so I didn't like it, so I added Barn Red Shimmer by Porridge Posse. And I'm using the 24K Gold by Deco Art. Black by Daler Rowney. And Grumbacher's Ultramarine Blue. So, let's get us a cup and layer it. Alright. So I think this time we're going to put the gold in it. Get my sticks out. Put that one in the bucket. Got that stick out. It's the second time I've almost spilled that black. Woohoo! Alright. I think I'm going to start with blue. Not because it's my favorite color or nothing. Yeah, right. Black and gold. And blue. And black. I didn't put any red in that last time, did I? Red. And then gold. I know you definitely don't want to put the blue and the red together, because that'll make purple. And I'm not impressed with purple. So blue, red. Oh, no, I don't want to do red. I want to do black. Red. Wow, I filled this cup up way too much. And some gold. Alright. Let's do as a small straight pour. That cat's making me crazy. The red and blue. That is awesome. This part's mostly blue because I forgot the red. We definitely have plenty paint. I think this will come off. Still a lot of weight to this cup. Come on, paint. Alright, oh, blue cells everywhere. That was unexpected. I'm going to tilt some of this. Oh, I don't want to lose them. Alright. I'm losing all my cool stuff and I don't like it. I don't know but I just like to spin better than stretch. It's easier to predict what'll happen. So let's go on down to the spinner. Alright, we're down at the spinner. Let's see what we can do. Okay, I'm sorry about the earthquake, guys. Oh, it's coming off already. So my spinner's not level. But here we go. Wow, that was a lot of paint. But I didn't lose all the cool stuff. That is freaking awesome. But I still don't want to lose all this, but I don't want to lose all that. And that's the problem with paint pouring. Especially when you use way too much paint. I think we're going to have some blue webbing there. Yep, that's pretty cool. I think I'm going to stop there. Next time you see me, we'll be bringing it on for a close-up. Here's that one. Check it out. And the blue webbing. I don't know why that happened, but hey, it's cool. Let me turn this flash off. Oh, that didn't help. But you can't really see with the dang light on. Let's try this. See all the blue and the red and the black? And then that blue lacing up there's pretty darn awesome. But with the flash on, you can't see that.